Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to deposit money from Chime to Revolut in 2025. Whether you're managing finances across borders or just linking up your accounts, this process is easier than ever with the latest updates. By the end of this video, you'll have the cash transferred and ready to go. First things first, make sure you have both a Chime account and a Revolut account set up. You'll need your Revolut account details handy, like your account number and routing info, which you can find in the Revolut app under Settings. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Open your Chime app and log in. Once you're in, navigate to the Move Money or Transfers section. It's usually right on the home screen. If it's your first time, you might need to verify your identity quickly, but that's quick and painless. Step 2. Select the option to add a new recipient or external account. Here, you'll enter your Revolut account details. Double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. Think of it like double-checking an address before mailing a package. In 2025, Chime has integrated with more banks, so Revolut should pop up as an option if you're linking via Plaid or Direct ACH. Step 3. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Keep an eye on any potential fees. Chime is often free for ACH transfers, but Revolut might charge for incoming deposits, especially if it's international. Hit Confirm, and you'll get a summary screen to review before finalizing. Step 4. Once submitted, the transfer usually takes 1 to 3 business days, depending on the banks involved. Head over to your Revolut app to monitor the incoming funds. If you run into any issues, like delays or errors, check both apps' support sections or contact customer service. They're pretty responsive these days. A quick tip. Always transfer smaller amounts first to test the waters, especially if it's your first time. And remember, in 2025, with enhanced security features, you might need to enable two-factor authentication for smoother transactions. There you have it. That's how you deposit money from Chime to Revolut. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.